As we all are aware what sexual reproduction is, when two sex cells fuse together and form a new individual is what sexual reproduction is. But one question here arises is that, why do we need sexual reproduction? In asexual reproduction, we saw that offsprings are almost identical to their parents because they have same genes as of their parents. In sexual reproduction, formation of offspring involves copying of DNA as well as of cellular apparatus. However, DNA copying cannot be absolutely accurate, which results in variation in the offspring. Now, these variations are very useful for the survival of species. Now, how can I say that variations are useful for the survival of species? Let's take an example. For example, there are several bacteria living in a temperate water. And now suddenly the global warming rises. The temperature of water will also rise. Most of the bacteria will die, but bacteria which are heat-resistant variants will be able to survive. Thus, variations are useful for the survival of species. But this process is precise and slow. And if the DNA copying were to be less accurate, then the DNA copies would have died eventually because they were not able to work with the cellular apparatus. So, how do we speed up the process of making variants? Each new individual has variations accumulated within from previous generation. When two individuals which already have different patterns of accumulated variations combines during fertilization, they give us a new variant